Dear friends, today's story is Quest for the Missing Son. Friends, this story is of a small village where one morning the son was missing. No one had a solution to such a difficult problem. Then little Maya decided to find the son. But this was such a mission where the unknown, scary, and difficult paths are waiting for Maya. How will little Maya do all this? Will she be able to find son? So let's start the story. In a whimsical land where magic danced in the air and laughter filled every corner, there existed a village named Kumfa, nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks. In this village, the sun rose faithfully every morning, casting its warm rays upon the earth and bringing light to the day. In the same village, a little girl named Maya lived with her grandmother. She loved her village very much. But one fateful morning, the villagers awoke to find their beloved son missing from the sky. Panic spread like wildfire as the townsfolk gathered in the village square, their faces filled with worry and confusion. Here Maya was also searching everywhere for the son, but she was not able to find anything. When Maya went to the crossroads, she found people sad and dejected. Everyone's hopes were dashed. No one knew the solution to this problem. Seeing all this, Maya's eyes sparkled with determination. With a heart full of courage, Maya stepped forward and declared, I will find the sun and bring it back to our village. As soon as Maya said this, a light flashed, and an unknown voice echoed, rapping sun in a dark night, traveling far from the sight, stay away or you might face the death if you fight. Hearing this, the villagers became very scared. But Maya's determination became stronger. She said, I have to go. Our son is in danger. Maya left for a journey, with the determination to bring back the sun to the villagers, and all she had a heart full of indomitable courage. With this, Maya was steering the scary dark forest alone. After traveling along, she heard a voice. That voice was of a magician Humbu. Maya had heard many of his stories from her grandmother. Humbu gave Maya a map and said, Maya, this is your path. You have to bring the sun back before the next morning, otherwise, it will go far away from us, from where his comeback is impossible. Hearing this, Maya took the map and thanked Humbu. While leaving, Humbu said, If you sleep, you will lose. Think before what you choose. Many friends and a cruise. Embrace the gifts, they are clues. Before Maya could understand anything, Humbu was gone. After walking a long distance, Maya felt very hungry and started getting tired. But she thought, I have to keep going, no matter what. Then she heard the voice of Falun, the king of trees. He said, You are such a little flower. Time is ticking, few are ours. Have my fruits full of power, let the success pour the shower. Hearing this, Maya stopped and ate the Falun fruits, and with this she was filled with immense energy. She continued her journey forward. Going further, Maya found a river, where she saw a woman on a boat in the river. When Maya asked her, Who are you? To this the woman replied that her name is Soul. Maya asked Soul to help her to cross the river. On this the woman said, Okay, I will take you across the river, but you will have to row the boat while carrying my heavy bag. Maya agreed to this. On the way, Maya asked, Your bag is very heavy, what is there in it? Soul replied, It contains my joy, sorrow, love, hopes and dreams. Before Maya could understand anything, Soul left her on the river bank. After Saul's departure, Maya found that now Maya was filled with new hope of bringing sun back. Did Soul give her this hope? Now she had to move forward with several unanswered questions. Moving ahead, Maya met a young man named Courage. He said that he had to go some distance further. And he continued walking with Maya. While traveling together, they heard the sound of the tiger growling. Hearing this, Maya hid herself. On this, Courage said, "If you are brave, then face it. Your fear of hiding will overpower you and you will lose." On this, Maya came out and confronted the tiger and asked him to leave from there. Seeing her courage, the tiger said to him, "I am your fear. You have courage. I cannot harm you." When the tiger left, Maya found herself filled with courage. She started on her way more faster than before. Further, Maya met an owl. The owl was sitting on a branch of a tree and repeating a verse, that is, whomever you met was a pleasure. Whatever they taught was a treasure. They will help you in the venture. Ahead is a test that you saw never. Maya was very surprised to hear this. Maya asked the owl about him and asked him the meaning of his words. The owl said to Maya, "I am wisdom. You will have to pass your test with my help. You should never leave your energy, self-power, and courage, and remember whatever you saw in your journey. Go quickly, before the darkness take the sun away." Saying this, the owl disappeared. Eventually, Maya reached the edge of the world, a place where the sky met the sea. And there, twinkling in the distance, he saw the sun, trapped in a cage of darkness, its bright rays hidden by shadow. It seemed as if the darkness was ready to swallow the sun. As soon as Maya reached near the cage where sun was trapped, she heard a voice echoing from the darkness. He said, "Maya, you answer my 3 questions. If you answer correctly, I will free sun, otherwise I will imprison you too." Hearing this, Maya said with courage and confidence, "I am ready." The darkness asked its first question. "Maya, tell me, how much does a soul weigh, and can you lift it without faltering?" The first question of darkness was a test of Maya's strength and determination. To this, Maya replied, "The weight of a soul is the weight of our hopes, dreams, fear, and love, the essence of who we are." Maya added, "And yes, I can lift it. With the strength of my courage, the warmth of my heart, and the support of those who believe in me, I can carry the weight of a soul without faltering." With this answer, the darkness's grip on the sun weakened and the sun began to shine. The sun started appearing. The darkness asked its second question, "Tell me, what is the true form of courage? Is it the absence of fear, or the ability to face it?" To this, Maya said, "Courage is not the absence of fear. Instead, courage is the ability to face fear head on, to stand in the face of adversity and uncertainty." On hearing this, the darkness had to move away from the sun. The darkness asked its third and final question, "Why do you want to free the sun? Is it out of selfless love for your village, or simply to enjoy the warmth of its rays once again?" To this, Maya said, "Out of deep and selfless love for my village, I want to free the sun. The warmth of the sun's rays brings happiness and vitality to our earth, sustains us in times of darkness, and guides us through the trials of our lives." As soon as she said this, the darkness started fading and the sun spread its light in the sky. As Maya continued answering the questions, Maya felt a sense of clarity, as if she had revealed a hidden truth. And when Maya looked into the depths of the cage where the sun was imprisoned, she discovered that she had the courage to face all the challenges that lay ahead, armed with the light of her determination and the warmth of her soul. Now the darkness had become powerless. Full of faith, Maya took the sun and moved towards her village. While returning to village, Maya met all those friends who helped her in the venture. She thanked everyone and left for village, but now she felt their presence with her forever. On reaching her village, Everyone praised Maya's courage and determination and celebrated the arrival of the sun. There was an atmosphere of happiness in the villages like before. Friends, from this story we learn that to achieve any goal, self power, courage, and determination are required. With this, we can achieve even the most difficult goals. Hindi version of this story is also available on our channel. See the description below. If you like the story, please like, share, and subscribe us. We are coming soon with more exciting and educational stories. Stay with us like this.